Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in and welcome back again. Okay, as I promised earlier on in my previous video, if you've not watched it after this video, or just finish watching that video so you understand this video. Okay, so this is the breakdown of the trade that almost made me $1,000 as a beginner. So we'll start off with the analysis why I saw made me take the trade and how I exited the trade and everything. So let's begin. And this is Euro CHF on the weekly time frame, and that's where I start my analysis with everything. So let's begin. I begin my analysis from the weekly time frame and price on the weekly time frame as of now. So let's start with the analysis. First of all, I trace support and resistance. So my first thing I have to do is to mark out support and resistance, the current one. Yeah, so this is the current resistance, that's on the weekly. That's the current one. And also this is the support. You can see here, right here, our price came down, failed to break below this level, and it held. So this is the support and resistance that's we marked on a weekly time frame. Now we are going on the daily, lowering down on time frame to the daily to see. We just trace support and resistance. We don't normally do trend lines here. I don't trade personally with trend lines, but in a way I'll use them to analyze the market and see what's going on. So you see, when price came down to this level, it held. Price failed to break below, and it was consolidating, and it created this resistance which broke and now turned to support. So we're going to mark out this level also. This is the support level now, which was previous resistance. So our current bias that led us to the trade is price has respected this support, broken out of this resistance, so held it also, and now it's heading to the upside. So now our bias is our bias is buys. So we are holding on with the buy bias. So that's what led us to take this trade. So if you lower down to the 4-hour time frame, I do top down analysis. So from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, that helps me understand the structure of the market. Alright, so as you can see, price broke with a solid candle, came back to retest nicely and started moving up, as you can see. So price, how moving up, created another resistance right here. Creating another resistance right here. You see, when price came down to retest this level, it came to this level of resistance, respected it for a while, and started to break through. So when it broke through, what do? We wait for the retest to happen and take the trade. Alright, and as you can see also, this too is a resistance now turns support, so we can mark this one out also. So that's how simple the strategy is. So now, after marking all the necessary markout we have to do, then we lower down to the smaller time frames and take entries. So the entries is either on the 30 or the 15 minutes. Yeah. So We took this trade around this level. Yeah, around this level. This trade around this level. But the first trade came off as of price creating this resistance. So this support. Yeah. So when price pushed up, creating all this, we took a first trade around this level. You see this doji candle or whatever. We took the price. We took the trade around this level. Our first trade, which we had a loss on before we had a re-entry on this one. So if we go to the 30 minutes time frame, that's what we took our trade. As you can see on this level, price respected this level, gave a confirmation which we should have taken, and we did, but we had a loss. Price came back to retest this level and it gave us a confirmation, so we took the trade around this level. So this is what led us to take price around this level. So waited for price to close, gave it a tight stop loss, which was like 13 pips, aiming for 1:3 or 1:2.5. Yeah, but the unexpected happened and we closed the trade sooner than we expected. Yeah, so this is also a resistance which I was looking for price to break through and retest, but price does its thing nevertheless, so we just have to take it that way. So immediately I entered this trade, price started moving on nicely, as you can see, and all of a sudden I started consolidating, and while I was about to enter Tokyo session, I exited because the consolidation was too much. I don't like being in a trade while price is consolidating, so I exited my trade, and truly it went down, but not to my stop loss, and it flew up. But initially I was planning to even hold the trade more. I was planning for something like this, price to break through. Yes, I was hoping for something like this, for price to break through and continue to the upside, but that didn't happen. So as you can see, even from this, what we expected, price has been moving like very, very wayward, and now it's looking like price is going to go down. But today is Friday, market is closed, so that's why I'm doing the breakdown of the trade. So I hope you've picked out something from it. It's just easy how I analyze the pair, analyze it. You just have to wait for price to hit your support resistance, wait for your confirmation, and take the trade. So I almost made I thought if I held this trade, I would have been up like in 2,000 plus. Yes, 2,000 plus. But nevertheless, I closed this trade for 200. If you watch my previous video, I'll be happy if you go back to watch the video, and also subscribe to this channel, because we're about to get bigger and bigger and bigger. So you would love to be part of this community. So I will just subscribe. You love it. So subscribe and let's see how subscribe and let's see how we move from here. And you're going to love this channel, I tell you. So that's it. So lessons I've learned from this trade is to always let your trade play out, even if it's a stop loss, take the loss, move on. I don't know how to explain it though, but it's kind of, in a way, I would have made like $1,000. So nevertheless, we move. So I won't like to make this video a long video. It's just a breakdown it's just a breakdown of the trade we took. So I don't like to make it that long. So we'll end the video here, and please subscribe to this channel and like this video. And if you've not watched the previous video, I'd like you to go back and watch the video so that you understand where this video is coming from. Alright, so thank you. Subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.